She's in Love with You is a 32 count, 4-wall, beginner level line dance. There are no tags or restarts in this dance. The teach and count. We start with the weight on the left, section 1, a jazz box cross. So we're going to cross right over left in front, step left back, step right to right side, cross left over right in front, a side chassé to the right side, side together, side. Now we're going to turn a half a turn right and step left to left side and drag the right towards the left. The weight's on the left. We're facing 6 o'clock. Section 2, we're going to step right to right side with a hold, step left together and step right to right side with a touch. Now a rolling vine to the left, so it's a quarter turn left, a half a turn left by stepping back on the right, another quarter turn left and touch right next to left. As an easier option, you can do a normal grapevine to the left with a touch. The weight's on the left, we're facing 6 o'clock. Section 3, a Monterey with a quarter turn right, so we're going to point right to right side, a quarter turn right, point left to left side and step left next to right, placing the weight on the left. We're going to cross right over left in front, step left back, touch the right heel diagonal forward and step right forward. The weight's on the right, we're facing 9 o'clock. Section 4, we're going to cross shuffle left over right diagonally. So it's left, right, left. A big step to the right side and drag the left towards the right. A big step to the left side, drag the right towards the left. Rock right back and recover on the left. The weight's on the left, we're facing 9 o'clock and we start the dance again. The count. Start with the weight on the left. Section 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. Section 2, 1 hold, 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 4, 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And we start the dance again.